Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, braking assist, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, power brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.